English listening and speaking practice. Step 1. Set a goal before starting any practice. It's essential to set a goal for what you want to achieve. For example, you might want to improve your English pronunciation, vocabulary, or conversation skills. Once you've set a goal, you can design your practice activities to focus on that goal. Step 2. Find resources. Next, you need to find resources to practice your English listening and speaking skills. There are several sources available online, such as English language learning websites, YouTube videos, podcasts, and audiobooks. Choose a few resources that align with your goal and interests. Step 3. Listen and repeat to practice listening and speaking. It's essential to listen to English speakers and repeat what they say. Select a video or audio resource that interests you and listen to it multiple times. Try to understand the words, phrases, and expressions used in the resource. Once you have a good understanding of the content, try to repeat it aloud. Pay attention to your pronunciation and try to mimic the speaker's tone and intonation.
Step 4. Record yourself. Recording yourself is a great way to identify areas where you need improvement. Use your phone or computer to record yourself speaking English. Listen to the recording and compare it to the original resource. Identify areas where you need improvement and try to correct them. Step 5. Speak with a partner. Practicing with a partner is an excellent way to improve your speaking and listening skills. Find a language exchange partner online or join an English conversation group. Practice speaking with your partner and ask for feedback. Listen to your partner and try to understand their pronunciation, tone, and intonation. Step 6. Repeat and review. Finally, repeat the practice activities regularly and review your progress. Keep a record of your pronunciation, vocabulary, and conversation skills. Set new goals as you progress and find new resources to practice your English listening and speaking skills. Step 7. Watch English movies and TV shows. Watching English movies and TV shows is a great way to practice your English listening skills. Select a movie or TV show that interests you and watch it with English subtitles. Try to understand the context, the characters, and the dialogue. Pay attention to the pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm of the speakers. Step 8. Join online forums and discussion groups. Joining online forums and discussion groups is another excellent way to practice your English speaking skills. Find a forum or group that is related to your interests and engage in conversations with other members. Try to express your ideas and opinions in English and ask for feedback. Step 9. Practice speaking English in daily life. Try to speak English as much as possible in your daily life. For example, you can order food in English at a restaurant, ask for directions in English, or have a conversation with a friend in English. The more you practice speaking English, the more confident you will become. Step 10. Get feedback from a teacher or tutor. Getting feedback from a teacher or tutor is a great way to identify areas where you need improvement. Find a qualified English teacher or tutor and take some lessons. Ask them to give you feedback on your pronunciation, grammar, and conversation skills. Use their feedback to improve your English language skills. Step Step 11. Use language learning apps. There are several language learning apps available that can help you improve your English listening and speaking skills. Some popular apps include Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone. Use these apps regularly to practice your English language skills. Step 12. Attend English language classes. Attending English language classes is an excellent way to improve your English listening and speaking skills. Join a language school or find a language center that offers English language classes. You can also take online English classes if you don't have access to a language center. Step 13. Listen to English podcasts. Listening to English podcasts is a great way to improve your English listening skills. Select a podcast that interests you and listen to it regularly. Try to understand the content and take notes on new vocabulary and expressions. Step 14. Participate in language exchange programs. Participating in language exchange programs is another excellent way to practice your English speaking skills. Find a language exchange partner or group and practice speaking English with them. You can also teach them your native language in exchange. Step 15. Read English books and articles. Reading English books and articles is an excellent way to improve your English vocabulary and comprehension skills. Select a book or article that interests you and read it regularly. Take notes on new vocabulary and expressions and try to use them in your daily conversations. Conclusion: practicing English listening and speaking skills requires dedication and consistency. By following these additional steps, you can further improve your English language skills and become a more confident English speaker. Keep practicing and never give up.